Hi, my name is Otis, the host of Internet Nugget. In today's video, we're going to look at affiliate network type that can help you to generate extra income online. If you are looking for a way to make money online, the affiliate marketing is a great option because it is online low-hanging fruits. With the affiliate network, you can monetize your blog, you can monetize your website, and generate a steady income stream. An affiliate network is a platform that connects advertisers and publishers, allowing them to make money together. In affiliate network ecosystem, everyone wins. You as the publisher is the content creator or a promoter who promote products and services through your network. In the ecosystem, you're regarded as the publisher, while the owners of the product are the advertisers because they are looking for people who are smarter than them who to market or promote their product and services through their channel. While the affiliate network is actually the middleman between the advertisers and the content creators or people who promote product and services online. So one good thing about the affiliate network system is because they've actually done the lifting for you. They've listed all different brands that are looking for promoters or publishers like you and I to actually promote their product. What does that mean? It helps to shorten your learning curve. It cut off the bottleneck. You don't have to worry about going online to be searching for several thousands of different affiliate network. So once you join a network, they have pools of brands that are ready to go for promotion. You don't have to worry about the hassles of customer service. All you just have to focus on is promoting the brand and promoting the product. You don't actually have to create your own product because the product have actually been created from you. You don't want to worry about warehousing. You don't want to worry about overhead costs. So all you need is access to internet and a device. It could be your phone. It could be a computer. So join the affiliate network and earn commission from product and services that you promote. But choosing the right affiliate network can sometimes be a daunting task, as there are many different networks to choose from. So we've also done the heavy lifting for you. We've done the research and we've selected top 5 affiliate network programs that we are currently using for your business so that you can start actually generating an alternate stream of income to augment your 9 to 5. So the number one is Commission Junction. Commission Junction is one of the established affiliate marketing network designed to help you scale your business because they have what you need. They have all the brands that you need to promote, ranging from even the grocery items, air tickets, hotel bookings, car rentals, digital products, name it. Even beauty products, they have it. So taking the first step is actually joining the network. Then the next is ClickBank. ClickBank is actually one of the most popular affiliate network that you can find. It's a global network. So growing your business online doesn't have to be complicated. You don't have to worry about the product that you need to sell. You don't have to worry about the product that you need to promote. You don't have to worry about committing money upfront to buy a product that you're not even sure if people are going to buy it. So you have a wide range of products for you to play with, for you to experiment with. So joining affiliate network gives you access to promote products and earn revenue. And with ClickBank, you can also earn up to $150 per sales. Then ShareSale is another affiliate network, one of the fastest growing affiliate network that you can find. They are connecting online retailers to over 241,000 affiliate partners, brand around the world. As a content creator, as a publisher, influencer, website owner, bloggers, technology partners, you have access to a large portfolio brand or a portfolio brand of product for you to actually promote. Then Rakuten, this is another great affiliate network. And they've actually created a unique opportunity for you to amplify your digital marketing, your brand promotion. So because they help connect you with brands and products in ways that no one else has ever done. You can ascend on television, you see they're running quite a lot of ad. You want to see Rakuten asking you to any commission when you promote the product. So right in this video, I have a list of affiliate partners that you can actually join. Rather than going searching for it, I'll put it below this video so you can actually click the link and sign up. But if you need help, you can just send us an email. And also to let you know, we sell affiliate marketing blogs and website that is ready to start earning you money from day one. So if you want that, you can also send us a message and we'll get you set up as soon as possible and walk you through how to make your first dollar. So I want to say, then I have another one affiliate, which is the affiliate.com. So this is also another affiliate network that you can join to begin to earn online. This is the low-hanging fruit. Anyone can actually do it. So you don't need to be a techie kind of a guy for you to be successful as an affiliate marketer. So all you need is the products. All you need is your computer, access to internet. So if you like what we're doing, if you like this video, please just hit the like button for us. And your feedback is very important to us. Leave your feedback, leave your comment below this video. And don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you are watching from YouTube, if it is on Facebook, please don't forget to also hit the like button and share this video. I'll say thank you for watching. I hope to see you in our next video.